Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to see the 10th standard, 3rd unit, Prose, Empowered Woman Navigating the World. This lesson is an interview with the 6 members of all women Indian Navy crew under captaincy of Vatika Joshi. Dear students, we discuss the role of a woman in building a family. The important roles played by her. Woman has to take care of her husband, her children, the elders, the relations, neighbors, etc. Then cooking, washing, housekeeping, and such a lovable person and welcoming guest, etc. Dear students, in the modern society, the status of women has much advanced because of their higher studies, they shine in all walks of life. There are women as teachers, doctors, engineers, and technicians. Recently, in defense services like military, women have started to shine well in the field of sports and games. They win many medals and awards. Women occupy almost all the major positions in society. Currently, women accomplishments are tremendous in many fields. One such achievement is our lessons 6 women Indian Navy crew who circumnavigated the world for 254 days all alone in a sailboat called INSV Dharani. Students, circumnavigated means to travel all the way around the world in a ship. Students, do you know INSV Dharani? INSV stands for Indian Naval Ship Vessel. Dara Dharani is the pertinent deity for sailors and is worshipped for safety and success at sea. INSV Dharani is the second sailboat of the Indian Navy. Indian Navy's 6 woman crew. Lieutenant Commander Vatika Joshi is the captain. The second woman is Lieutenant Commander Pradeep Jamwal. The third woman name is Lieutenant Commander Swati Bhadraballi. The fourth woman name is Lieutenant Aishwarya Podabati. The fifth woman name is Lieutenant Vijaya Devi. The sixth woman name is Lieutenant Payal Gupta as its crew members. The crew started their voyage. Voyage means journey via sea. On 10th September 2017 from Goa. They went around the globe within 254 days and reached Goa port on 21st May 2018. The crew underwent their basic training at the Indian Naval Watermanship Training Center in Mumbai. They were trained for almost 3 years to undertake this voyage. The little survival skills they showed was considered important in the selection process. Honesty of the skipper helped to bring out a successful expedition. The crew was mentored by Commander Dilip Dande. Interviewer asked many questions and answered the 6 women of the all-woman Indian Navy crew under the captaincy of Vardika Joshi. The crew has sailed around the earth for 254 days. They tell about their experience in this voyage, the aim of the voyage, selection of members, the training course, the challenges faced, their enjoyment, their pastime, their cooking, and their successful return to Goa are discussed in this interview. They have practically proved that the empowered woman can achieve anything. if they are provided the opportunity. Training and selection of the crew members. Students, first we see theoretical training. The all-woman Indian Navy crew underwent some theoretical courses on navigation, communication, and weather protection. Training was given to repair things, to deal with emergencies when the weather gets rough, and in medical emergencies. Next, we see practical training. The all-woman Indian Navy crew underwent their basic sail training courses in Mumbai at the Indian Naval Watermanship Training Center and in the Selection Naval Base in Kochi. They even sailed in INSV Made to Mauritius and back and also to Cape Town. They were trained almost for 3 years to prepare for voyage. The trip was a tutorial for them to manage food, water, and even electricity during the voyage. Students, next we see selection process. Out of 30 women who had applied, 6 were shortlisted based on the little survival skills they showcased. We could really understand their hardships and challenges they have faced in their training and selections. Students, next we see the project Navika Sagar Parikrama. Navika Sagar Parikrama was a project undertaken in consonance with the national policy of to empower women to attain their full potential. The project is considered essential towards promoting ocean sailing activities in the Navy while depicting government of India's thrust for women power. Make in India. The voyage was aimed to showcase Make in India initiative by sailing on board indigenously built INSV Dharani. Students, next we see challenging tasks the team faced during their voyage. In the South Pacific, they encountered a storm when the seas were almost 9 to 10 meters high and the winds were picking up to 60 to 70 knots, which is about a hurricane. Hurricane means a storm. Force of wind on land. Even during the storm, when 3 people would be out on watch, the other 3 indulge in some sort of works like heat the water or the gloves, etc. Students, next we see the crew engage in during the long voyage. The crew picked up some hobbies and kept posting pictures of delicacies like pani puri and cakes. They also read books and did some quilling and craft work. Team leader read comics and the Ramayana. Students, next we see the celebrations. Diwali and 3 birthdays, including the first birthday of the boat, were the celebrations the crew enjoyed during their journey. Students, next we see motivated. The entire country was watching and praying for them and motivated them to undertake the voyage. Students, listen carefully. Recapitulations. What does INSV stand for? What does INSV stand for? INSV stands for Indian Naval Ship Vessel. INSV stands for Indian Naval Ship Vessel. Next question. Where did the crew undergo their basic training? Where did the crew undergo their basic training? The Indian Naval Watermanship Training Center in Mumbai. The Indian Naval Watermanship Training Center in Mumbai. How long were they trained to undertaken this voyage? How long were they trained to undertaken this voyage? 3 years. 3 years. Which skill was considered important in the selection process? Which skill was considered important in the selection process? The little survival skills. The little survival skills. Who mentored the crew? The crew was mentored by Commander Dilip Dande. The crew was mentored by Commander Dilip Dande. Which quality of the skipper helped to bring out a successful expedition? Which quality of the skipper helped to bring out a successful expedition? Honesty. Who among the crew mentioned about teamwork? Who among the crew mentioned about teamwork? Payal Gupta mentioned about teamwork. Payal Gupta mentioned about teamwork. What festival did they celebrate during their voyage? What festival did they celebrate during their voyage? They celebrated Diwali during their voyage. They celebrated Diwali during their voyage. What does the term circumnavigation mean? What does the term circumnavigation mean? Circumnavigation means to travel around the world in a ship. Circumnavigation means to travel around the world in a ship. When did the crew start their voyage? When did the crew start their voyage? The crew started their voyage on 10th September 2017 from Goa. The crew started their voyage on 10th September 2017 from Goa. When did they return back to India? How many days did it take to complete the expedition? When did they return back to India? How many days did it take to complete the expedition? They went around the globe within 254 days and reached Goa port on 21st May 2018. They went around the globe within 254 days and reached Goa port on 21st May 2018. Students, I hope you all have understood that interesting lesson. We will meet in next class. Thank you, students.